calm and walk away slowly. Or, yeah, Jackie, could you imagine just looking out your window and seeing a huge bear just eating birdseed?
Right, exactly. You put out a bird feeder for the birds, not necessarily for the bears.
I feel like that's not too filling for the bear, but I guess you got to take what you can get.
Yeah, exactly. He was a little hungry. He wanted a little snack.
He was, yep. Quick little snack while he was looking for other things to eat.
Exactly.
Before he headed to the garbage cans.
Right, exactly.
Anyways, all right, it's been a foggy start to the morning. When's this fog going to burn off?
Yeah, it should burn off later on this morning. The dense fog advisory remains in effect until 10 o'clock, so we still have almost 2 hours left, or a little bit less than that at this point. But satellite and radar showing us at least we're tracking the drier conditions to start off the work week. I know we saw some rain over the course of the weekend, and at least we did see a little bit of that sunshine for the latter half of the day yesterday. We'll see more of that sunshine emerging later on today as well. But out there right now, still dealing with visibility issues. About a mile or less from Frederick to Leesburg to Hagerstown, also over towards Martinsburg. 2 miles of visibility Manassas, less than that over towards Culpeper and Orange. We're now up to 7 miles of visibility down towards Fredericksburg, so at least we're seeing some improvement there. The dense fog advisory, like I mentioned before, remains in effect until 10 o'clock this morning. Does not include D.C., but it does include the surrounding area, at least off towards the north and towards the west. So Northern Virginia, you are included, along with the I-81 corridor, the Shenandoah Valley, as well as over towards Montgomery and Frederick counties in Maryland. Now that fog will lift out later on this morning. The clouds will also disperse too, so we're also tracking the mainly cloudy skies out there right now in D.C., although we're not tracking the fog. We'll eventually notice more of that sunshine, allowing the temperatures to warm up into the upper 70s to low 80s later on today, which is nearly seasonable for this time of the year. As we get towards later on this evening, really a great evening for any of those outdoor plans you may have, great for an evening stroll or for that evening bike ride. And then as we look ahead towards overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, the winds shift. The winds today will be mainly out of the east-southeast, later on tonight into tomorrow morning, switching to mainly out of the south. That southerly wind will allow those temperatures to warm up tomorrow, but as we look ahead towards tomorrow morning, could see some patchy fog again. That will dissipate. Mainly sun-filled skies will be with us for tomorrow. Now you may be noticing a few of those pop-up showers or rumbles of thunder back over towards the mountains region. Those will be influenced by those higher elevations there. Elsewhere across the area should be dry tomorrow, and we'll see more of that sunshine and warmer temperatures, low to mid 80s expected tomorrow afternoon. Now Wednesday, we start to heat things up near 90 degrees for the middle of the week. We could even see a rumble of thunder or two late Wednesday, but if not, then that will hold off to at least Thursday. Thursday, we're looking at some scattered showers and storms, especially into the afternoon, as the system back out towards our west will be approaching. Now, some of those could be on the stronger side, so we'll be monitoring Thursday. But later on Wednesday, we do have a little bit of that green popping up on the map, mainly for D.C. and areas north. Then as we get towards Thursday afternoon, we do see some of those cells indicating some heavier or steadier rain, especially for D.C. areas southward. So we'll continue to monitor that as we get closer towards Thursday. Some of those could be on the strong to severe side, so we'll keep a close eye on that. As we get towards Friday, still some scattered showers. Now, I know it's this upcoming weekend, Memorial Day weekend. Now, we do have some shower and thunderstorm chances. It wouldn't be a weekend if we didn't have that, right? I mean, it's been, the last 5 weekends we've been seeing some rain, but this weekend is looking just like a 20% chance on Saturday, which is an isolated thunderstorm or shower later on in the afternoon. Highs upper 70s Saturday. Sunday, we're talking low 80s, a spotty afternoon thunderstorm possible. Highs, again, right around 80 on Memorial Day. Monday, looking like some scattered storms into the afternoon as well. We're not tracking a washout this weekend. Just make sure you are weather aware, especially when we're talking about thunderstorms. Shanika, what's the latest on the roads?
All right, let's head out.